Hi, this is Aisha M. Coupons, and today we're going to look at something that will help new or expectant mothers. If you go to www.enfamil.com, that's Enfamil, and then mouse over to where it says offers, you'll get a drop down menu, and you need to pick the top one, baby formula coupons and samples. We're going to get $400 worth of gifts and samples here. And this is what you're going to get that's over here. So you get formula, you get coupons, checks for formula, you get these cute little buttons. So what you would do is come down here, just mouse down here, and put your baby's birth date in and click join now, and then it will take you through the membership sign up. It's completely free. And these are the things that you would get. It says free belly badges, and there's choices of belly badges. You can also pick ones that say 2 months more, 3 months more, coming soon, I think, and then like seasonal badges, happy Christmas, stuff like that. And here we have the formula samples. This is what you really want. You want the formula samples. That helped us when we signed up for this for about, I'd say, maybe month and a half, 2 months, I think. This really helped. That was after the time that we decided we were going to do half and half breast milk and formula feeding. And then they send you checks, which again is like coupons. And then you get to go into the Mother's Lounge. You get special gifts sent to you during your membership, including rebates on birth announcements, stuff like that. And then, of course, their expert tips and how-tos on being a new mother. So this is definitely something you want to sign up for. You can also go back to offers up here at the top and go down to my free sample of Enfagro. And you can get that as well. It looks like this. It's for toddlers. And you just type in your name, address, again the child's birth date, and get my sample. If you've already signed up for the other sample, you'll already be signed in, and it'll just ask for the child's birth date again, and then a button says get my sample. And even if you're not going to use it, or you're not sure if you're going to use it, try and get these samples anyway, because you can always donate them and some other mother can use it. Happy couponing!